Hi, this is Kamini from Speak Like Kamini and welcome to today's lesson on some of the French words that are commonly spoken in English language. Now, in my previous video of the same series, I had taken up some of the French words which are very commonly heard or spoken in English language, and today we will discuss some more words which again are spoken or heard of very commonly in English language and belong to the French origin. Alright, let's look at the first word, cul-de-sac, which means a street or a passage closed at one end. For example, our house is located at cul-de-sac. The next word is facade, which means superficial. For example, their marriage is a facade. The next word on the list today is faux pas, which means a social mistake. Anything which is not socially accepted is a faux pas. For example, speaking on cell phone during the performance is a huge faux pas. The next word is rendezvous, a meeting at an agreed place and time. For example, he turned up late for the rendezvous. The next word is gâteau, which means a rich or fancy cake. For example, we had a chocolat gâteau for dessert today. And the last word on the list today is souvenir, which means something kept as a reminder of the place visited. For example, we bought some souvenirs at the shop. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning and listening to these words and are going to practice them in your speaking wherever you get a chance. If you have any questions pertaining to this video, feel free to write in the comment box. Also, if you want to learn more things about English, you can always follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, the links to which have been given in the description box. Alright then, till next time, it's bye-bye from Speak Like Kamini.